Hello and welcome to the daily crypto market review starting with BTC. Recently we have been observing that since we hit the $17,000 17,500 price, Bitcoin has been following this ascending channel on 4 hourly chart and even on the daily chart. Even if we see the hourly chart, it is being seen to observe the chart as our candles are being closed inside this ascending channel and it is being properly respected by the Bitcoin overall price action. But right now we hit the resistance of 22,500 which we have already marked in the chart, and Bitcoin was strongly rejected from this resistance and came all the way down as of today to 19,700. If you are following me on Twitter, you might have seen that we have taken a short position from 22,000 all the way down. Right now, if we see on the 4 hourly chart, we are observing, as per my prediction and expectation, I would see that BTC can go all the way down and test this support, which is the trend line or the ascending channel support, which would be approximately at around 19,500 to 19,700 region, depending on the extent whenever Bitcoin reaches this point, as it is variable with respect to the price. So we can see a slight bounce from this support. However, moving on towards the stock market, we can see what is currently happening. Yesterday Nasdaq opened very close to its strong resistance. Since we were observing quite upside price action on the Nasdaq, we saw the market closed on 8 July in a bullish price action, but right now we were seeing that it was closed on the strong resistance, and we knew that on the Monday it would be going down as rejected from the resistance, and that is exactly what happened. Nasdaq has been rejected from the strong resistance of 296. Therefore we observed Bitcoin to retrace from that point. But right now we are observing a strong retrace from the gains which we made from starting of the 5th July, which we saw a quite increase in volume in the market, as Binance allowed zero fees transactions for 13 pairs using BTC. Right now we are seeing quite retrace of the market. Until then, if Bitcoin price action respects the support of 19,500 to 19,700 following the stock market, which I think today is Tuesday, when the stock market opens we can see slight upward motion in the stock market. However, there is another downward force which is acting on the stock market, is the US dollar price index. But right now we have seen the US dollar price index has broken the all-time high, previous all-time high for 2002, that was approximately 107 points, and right now it's moving upwards, and there is right now no resistance. Even if we check on the Fibonacci level, we see the nearest resistance would be at 116. As the DXY is inversely related to the stock market, we can see the stocks would be quite bleeding in this time. Moving on towards the Bitcoin dominance is also sideways, no strength indicated in this chart as well. If we see, the Bitcoin dominance is right now showing weakness, as well as the Bitcoin price action. Until and unless we see an increase in Bitcoin dominance, which I expect would happen as soon as we see some retracement of the DXY and moving up and bullish price action in the Nasdaq, as Bitcoin is very closely related and perceived as a tech stock by the Wall Street traders, and most of the time United States stock market moves the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right now. Until and unless we break the resistance of 44.48, we can't expect that Bitcoin to break the resistance of 22,500. Right now I still expect Bitcoin to bounce a little bit on today or even on 13th of July, as per my expectation. If the video was any way useful for you, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.